Hello all, good morning. So this is explanation video to our test, okay? Because it is difficult to explain each and every question in the classroom because we have less time and we cannot explain also in the class. So hence I thought of making a video on this question paper. So here you will be learning that what is the correct answer and what is not correct answer, okay, so that you can improve yourself, you can know the mistakes of that you have done during the test. Okay, so the first one we will see here. So the first question is based on the academic activities. So we have the three academic activities here. So like primary, second and tertiary. See the workers, the people belong to the particular academic activities. If you look at the all options, the three options among the four are belong to only one sector, that is services sector. Banking also services, railway, that means transportation also service, and teaching also service. So the third one, the garment factory, is the manufacturing. So that is the different option that you have to select it. Okay, so that is the right answer. So next one is election to the Constituent Assembly held in July 1946. So this is, you know very well about this, no doubt about it. So South Africa is called rainbow nation because not based on the colors, based on the races. Okay, even the races are called based on the colors only, but racism is the main thing that we have to say. So here the next question is, this is about the Russian Revolution. What is so choose the correct answers. Okay, so the first one is workers divided based on their skills. This is true. Okay, the craft person and the the people who work in the iron and steel and all, they are different. Okay, they were valued more in the society. So those differences are there in the Russian society. So women were not part of a workforce. This is false because they also participated in the working force. Nearly 33% of the women constitute in the workforce. In spite of that, they did not get the equal wages and equal rights and all. So for that, because of that only, they played a pivotal role in the Russian Revolution, February Revolution. That's what we have learned in the chapter. And you see this one. So the workers not even united during the strikes. This is also false statement. During the strike, they were united together. Okay, so unlike the workers, the peasants maintained unity among themselves. So this is true. Okay, peasants have maintained the unity, so they don't have any differences. Okay, so here the option is none of the above because no option is talking about the. So here what we call that 1 and 4 as the right answer. Okay, so there is no 1 and 4 option is there. Okay, that's why none of the option will be the right answer. Okay, so the next question, choose the correct statement about the Constituent Assembly. So the statement 1 says that Constituent Assembly had many members who are not with the Congress. Correct only, no? This is true. Yes, and we can take many examples, kind of like this what we call Ambedkar. Okay, all these things, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, many people. So the next one is the Constituent Assembly. Okay, represented members from different social groups. This is also true. So next one, the members of the Constituent Assembly believed in different ideologies. Yes, and there is Nehru ideology is different and Ambedkar ideology was different. So that means all of the above is the right answer. Okay. Yes. So in which year 5-year plan was introduced in Russia? So this is about the what we call that Stalin era, 1928. Okay. So because it is not given, option is not given here, 1928 is the right answer. So option will be none of the above. Okay. So what is a democratic constitution means? This is confusing to each and everyone. So the first one is it treats all equally. That is true. So it gives voting rights to the all people regardless of the gender and the age. Because age, gender okay, but age means there will be age. No, adult we only small children cannot be considered as voters in democracy. For example, if you are in our country, above 18 years only they can vote. So that's what we call it as a UAF, universal adult franchise, right? So the second statement is wrong. So the democratic governments are usually secular governments. The third statement cannot be the right one, right? So that means only option A is the true. So the next one, find out the difference option from the following. So here a very interesting question. All are autobiographies of the people. Okay. So for example, my experiment with this truth is Mahatma Gandhi's. Okay, A Long Walk to Freedom is Nelson Mandela, and Jyotan is Prakash Valmiki's autobiography. So glimpses of Discovery of India is a Nehru's one. This one. So it is a Nehru's book, which is not it is not an autobiography. So that's why the fourth one is the odd one. So in that way I have taken the example from your constitutional design. So there is a one line says that if possible check your progress, if possible read the some paragraphs on the Long Walk to Freedom, which is the autobiography of Nelson Mandela. So hence I gave this question. So here the question is, from many decades, okay, in India, a large population has been considered as liability rather than the asset. Why? Because so India is under British rule. No, it is because we are asking about the decades. So India spent more on research on agriculture. No, let us see. So there was 5 years, 5-year plans are there. Okay, this is also not correct. So none of the above will be this one. So India spent more research on agriculture. This is wrong because why? India spent not only agriculture industries and all in the second 5-year plan and all. So we cannot say that India spent more research on agriculture. So none of the above is the right answer, because the all sectors, the resources we did not spend mainly health and the education and all. So this is because of poverty and all. Those reasons, the Indian people are they were like a liability rather than the assets. Because of those reasons. So abysmally spending on their health and education, those kind of things. Like people are because of the poverty and all. So what were the Indian princely states? So they were completely independent from the beginning. No, actually it is not the right answer. So because even though they are independent from the British forces, actually after 1857 when the rebellion took place, so Indian states got some autonomy. Okay, when they got autonomy, what happened? So they became this one princely states. Like they will be not attacked in the future. They will not be annexed in the British kingdom, but they will have to acknowledge the sovereignty of the Britain Queen. So that is the thing. So they are not ruled by the military officers, like they are kingdoms only. Okay, king only ruled. Okay, C also cannot be the answer, right? So here the none of the above is the answer, right? So princely states means nothing but they are independent, but they have to acknowledge the sovereignty of the British, right? So what is the unemployment here? Choose the best option from the unemployment here. About the unemployment from the following options. So people having education but not jobs. Let us see all the answers in it. People are having skills but no jobs. So both A and B, neither A nor B. Okay, so when people is having education is not enough, they have to have skill also. Okay, so we can see, we can take the answer as a both A and B. So they should have a education and the skill also. And even instead of the having education and skill, they are not having they are not getting job. That is state is called unemployment. So here the most colonial countries were attracted to the socialism, towards socialism, because so colonial ruler like the socialism, because they did not like colonial rulers or Britishers and all, because they are against the socialism. Okay, so socialism, that or the socialism will bring freedom and equality. Like socialism is against this freedom and equality. They concentrated on mainly economic activities. So the C answer is the correct one. So option C is the correct one. So because economic and social and economic activity, right? So that means what I want to say is the social and economic equality, because socialism is mainly based on that only. Option C will be the right answer. So it is obviously this question, in which year South Africa, like new government in South Africa or democratic government formed, means none of the option is right, because it is 1994. So the next one is choose the correct statements. So we'll see what is the correct statements here. So disguised unemployment is a result of less demand and more supply. Yes, this is true only. It occurs in agriculture only. Okay, see here. It is more prevalent in urban areas. No. So disguised unemployment mainly occurs in the agriculture, but it may be anything also. So the main objective is the disguised unemployment is like when the demand is less and the supply is more. That is the thing. So it mainly happens in the agriculture. So where there is a situation like that in factory also, we can call it as a disguised unemployment. For example, you can say take any example also. So urban areas and the rural areas, often see it cannot be the right answer, because it is both prevalent in rural and urban areas. So the option A is the correct answer. Okay. So here choose the incorrect statements here. So what they are asking, so even though there are regional variations in literacy rate, okay, there is no general gap. This is false. So because girls are less literate than the boys, this we have seen in the chapter People as Research. So there is also variation in urban and rural areas in terms of literacy rates. Yes, this is true. So Bihar and Meghalaya are worst performing states in literacy rates. Okay. So the fourth one is, this is wrong, because Bihar is fine, but Meghalaya is one of the best state, best literacy rate state. Okay, the first is after the independence, okay, the literacy rates gradually gone up. Yes, this is true. Okay, so here what are the statements are wrong here? So fourth was wrong, right here. Okay, and the third one also wrong. So the second one also right, and the second and fourth one is right answers, correct answers. So the option is, we are asking incorrect statements. What we have to do? Okay, so the 2, 4 only the correct answers. Okay, remaining is the incorrect answers. We will see here. So 1, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 only the incorrect answers. Okay, that is the 1 and 3 will be the right answer. Right? Yes. And the next question, many working men and women rallied around liberals and the radical parties. groups and the parties in the early 19th century. Because see we see, first thing, they want socialism. This is true, correct answer only. They want to be religious rights to be protected. That is the wrong answer. Social conditions should be improved. Okay, fine. So options D is the right one. Both A and C is the correct one. Correct answers only. Okay, here Tsar filled with Duma with conservative because you know. So they also participated in the revolution. That is not the right answer. So B also not correct because they are not against the peasants. So they supported the emperor, but they emperor in the sense they support the autocracy, but they are not against the equality. So the C also cannot be the right answer. So option will be the D. Okay. So next one, choose the correct option. So here, a country having more natural resources, it does not mean that it has economic growth, because we see the South African countries more. They are well with natural resources, but there is no development, economic growth. And you can see about the Indian states like Jharkhand and Bihar. Okay, so if you want to economic growth means what is that? Education and agriculture. These are some important sectors where a country needs to spend more its resources so that the economy will grow. Okay, this is fine. So Japan did not invest in agriculture. Rather it invested on the human resources. So this is wrong statement. So India did not neglect the education system after the independence. Okay, so it took many initiatives for Siksha Abhiyan, Navodaya schools and Kendriya Vidyalaya schools and literacy programs and all. So that's why we cannot say that India neglected the education sector after the independence. So D also wrong. So B will be the correct answer. So liberals. So what is the wrong statement about these people? We will see here. So they are very influential. Okay, fine. This is correct only. So they are not Democrats. They did not believe in the universal adult franchise. This is the wrong statement. Okay. So this is C also right. Okay, then B is the wrong answer. So virtuous cycle is created because when the life is going positive way, so that is called a virtuous cycle. A virtuous cycle is created. When life is going in negative way, it is called a vicious cycle is created. Like for example, like Sakal and the Vikas. Vikas or Vishal? Vikas, I think so. So see, in the first statement we have given that A, like Sony, about the Sony. See, when because her parents were working, they invested on education and all. Like she also got the good job in the particular company and all. So this is the right answer. Rest of the thing is wrong answer. So this is apart from the option A, is all are going negative angle, reverse gear. So that is vicious cycle, we can say that. So virtuous cycle is created only in the case of A only, not other options. So many people were attracted towards the socialism in the Europe. Why it is like that? Yes, they wanted to overthrow the monarchy in the countries. Okay. So they wanted to have a democratic government based on the UAF. Okay, right. So people migrated to cities during the due to industrialization. None of the above. See, socialism is nothing to do with the overthrowing the monarchs or democratic government or something like that. Okay, they need a society where the economic equality is there. So where this is the period industrialization coming. Okay, overthrowing all the natural sectors and all. So because of the industrialization, what happened? Only the wealth is concentrated with the few people. Then who is the few people? For example, if you look at the Russia, the land is only with the czars and the nobles. So that means only wealth is with the concentrated with the only few people, right? So that's why peasants are opposing this people. Okay, so they want equality, like wealth has to be distributed rather than the power. Okay, that's why these all our options are wrong. So central powers, what is the central powers? I have told you. So central powers are Germany, Italy, Okay, so those countries. So that is the reason why the France cannot be. Russia also, Russia, France, and Britain fought, combined, joined together and fought against the this one, what we call that, Germany in the First World War. Okay, so these all are not part of the Central Powers, right? So that means option D will be the right answer. So socialist believe in the cooperatives. What is the cooperative societies means? Like for example, when the cooperative society is there, so the production is taken place in one place, and the wealth is the share is like the whatever the income they get, it is shared among all the people. Okay, so this is the beginning of the beginning. The cooperatives is the beginning of socialism in Europe, we can say, because through corporation the economy is getting shared among the people. So that is the more important. So that is the main objective. So for what, let's see the options here. Okay, so it is successful experiment. We cannot say that it is successful experiment, because the only few people, few corporates only, government under the control of government. Okay, not all. Okay, so it is not a fully successful experiment. Even the cooperatives are there. So they are not even profit oriented. That is already we know. So they felt that symbol of socialism. So none of them. So it is cooperative is not that symbol of socialism. Okay, so it is just they want to wealth to be distributed. Okay, cooperative has nothing to do with the socialism, right? So what is a constitution here? So constitution means it is nothing but it is not a supreme highest law making body. So it's not a body, it is a document. So highest law making body will be the Supreme Court. Okay, see, that is not the constitution. So it is a written document, we can say. Indian constitution is a written document, but there are non-written constitutions also, like Britain and all. Okay, the constitution can be written or non-written. So this is that's second option also wrong one. So written agreement among the societies is not about the societies and the country. So that's why none of the above is the right answer. So life expectancy is 68.3. Okay, so according to 2014. So none of the above is the right answer here. Life expectancy. So here, see that this question correct statements. Like many people are confused about this question. See, the makers of our constitution adopted many ideals from the various countries. Yes, this is obviously true. For example, Russia, France, Germany, this one United States, Britain, and everything. Yes. So the second statement, what is saying, the makers of our constitution inspired by the ideals and implemented the same policies in our country. This is wrong, because even though they have adopted the constitution, they are various policies from the other countries, they implemented in terms like according to our country needs. Okay, they did not simply copy and paste it. So that's why the second option is wrong. So the third one is like example is the best. What are the constitutions were taken? Like what are the things that were taken by the or makers from the other countries? So Bill of Rights, for example, we have taken Bill of Rights as a fundamental rights, we know. So we have taken Bill of Rights as an example of fundamental rights, because fundamental rights are different, Bill of Rights is different, no? So that's what I'm saying about the second statement. So Bill of Rights is it is from the US, not from the Britain. So the third option also wrong. So here the statement is, so 3 also correct, 3 only wrong. So here I think I have made that. Yes. So here what we can understand is the option A should be the one option like one only, but it was instead of 1 it went to 3. So those who clicked the option 1 will get the mark. Okay. So this is the extra question that you are getting the mark from this. So here the next question is, the majority of the Russian population depend on the agriculture. That is true. The second statement is wrong because they did not oppose the industrialization in Russia. Okay, and the third statement also wrong. So what is that? They did not even though I'm sorry, the third statement is wrong. Even though the agriculture is there, the production of food, grains and all, it is sparse, means less. No, it is not true because they also exported to other countries also, in the early 19th centuries and all. So during the revolution and all, they faced very food shortages and all. Before that, they were fine. Okay, the production was fine, but the only thing is that the control of the land is the problem. Okay, so that is the thing. So this is the question. So here the option is correct, only one option only is the correct. So that's why we can say that none of the above is the right answer. Okay, here there is no option called one, no, only one or two are there, something are there, three is there, some two is there. Okay, like that. So none of the above option is the correct answer. So here market activities and the non-market activities. Here both statements are right only. Okay, both A and B has the same correct answer. So both A and B is the correct answers only. Both statements are correct. That means that the option will be D. Okay, so both are correct means here we are asking about the choose the incorrect statements. So D means neither are the incorrect, all are correct only. Right. So the next question. So see, almost every constitution has a preamble, right? So second statement is preamble is the guiding philosophy of the constitution. That is also true. So here the both 1 and 2 are the right answers. So which is the not best cause of the February Revolution in Russia? So here we are asking about not best cause, not the best cause. Okay, that difference you must understand. Okay. So the first one, is the cause because Russian industrial growth shrank. Food grain shortages also fine. Unemployment among the people, that is also fine. So none of the above will be the answer because these are all are causes for the February Revolution. Okay. So the next question, some Russian sources felt that the Russian peasants are naturally socialist because so peasants oppose land pooling. It is no. They did the main important thing is because they are called as a land pooling. They adapted the land pooling because of the purpose only. They are called as naturally socialists. Okay, the first statement is wrong. So not only it's not that peasants only first to oppose the nobles and this one czars. So there are many people. This is also no. So because this is not related to the particular question. So the peasants wants to be distributed. This is not related to the particular question. So none of the above is there because they are called as a socialist because they have adopted the land pooling system. Okay, land distribution. So that's why they are called. See, these are the demands of the peasants. Remaining options are. So that's why none of the options is the right one. So healthcare facilities in India compared to the world, it is better. The first statement is wrong, obviously. Okay, and the second statements. So there is no increase in the number of what we call the doctors from the late last decades. No, there is actually it is doctors increase there, but there is no much increase. Okay, so in spite of this fact that India has what we call that a balanced healthcare facilities in all over the country. So this is balanced healthcare facilities means, for example, every place of the every part in the country having a more equal facilities. But that is not true, no, because South India has more healthcare facilities than the North India. Yes, so that's why we cannot say that India has a balanced healthcare facilities. So the second statement and the So here so 1 and 2 only the correct answers, 3 is the not correct answer. Hence the option, there is no 1 and 2 option is there, so that's why none of the above is the right answer. So here the see, you can see the next question about the Bolsheviks. Okay, see, the totally opposed to the private property, that is true. Okay, so most industry and banks were nationalized in the November 1917. This is also true. Okay, land was declared a social property and the peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobles. So this is also the 3. So all of the above is the right answer. Okay, so that is the correct answer. So the this question we will see here. See, in Africa, the first statement, they both fought against India fought against the Britishers. Okay, so we like when the Britishers came, they themselves only eliminated the Dutch and the Portuguese people. We didn't have anything with the Portuguese and other Europeans. So unlike India, in South Africa, they have there are many countries people lived there, including the British people. So it's the Russia, South Africa fought with the Europeans, not especially with the Britishers. So in those times, it is wrong to say that only South Africa fought with the Britishers. Okay, so both organizations wanted for the new constitution. So yes, so Indian National Congress also wanted freedom and the constitution. This one also wanted to have a freedom and the constitution. This is also true. Okay, both these organizations have the same roots. No. Actually, there is a lot of difference between the what we call that in Indian National Congress and this one African Congress, because even though they are opposing the colonial rule, these people are opposing the colonial rule, and they are opposing the colonial rule based on the racism. This is based on the equality, these rights and all. So the roots are different. Okay, so now both organizations achieved the freedom in the same time. So this is obviously wrong, because we got the freedom in 1947. Okay, here you have to understand that. See here, first option is wrong. Second option also wrong. One only, it is a wrong. So 2 is the right answer. Understand? So option 2 is the right answer. Yes, this is about the gross enrollment ratio in higher education. It's obviously the question answer. It is 30%. See here the difference. What is the ideology about the Karl Marx I am asking. So which is not the following? Which is the following is not a view of the Karl Marx. The first one is. So the first one is obviously the right answer, because he is against the capitalism. So he wants to be profit to be shared among the poor laborers, because it's not that they are from the poor background. So they are the makers of the profit. Yes or no? Because they are doing the work, and worker has to get the adequate due. So that is his main intention. So he wants the property to be socially controlled. That is also true. So both A and C is the right answer. Okay. So common thing in the US Constitution preamble and the Indian Constitution preamble. So the philosophy is not based on the God. The first one, it is not the common thing. This one, safe environment, none of the constitution talks about that. That is, it is in the South African Constitution. Okay. So the C also cannot be the right one, because the United States did not adopt the socialism. Okay. So that's why none of the above is the correct answer. Yes. So human capital is one way superior to the other factors. See, just you go to the go according to this lesson to this question, so that you will understand. So the first one is everybody says that humans are more productive. No, it's not that humans are more productive, because machines can be more productive. Yes, because like 10 people work can be done by the one machine. Then which is the more productive? So that is not that. So there are no scarcity for human beings. So this is cannot be the right answer, suitable answer. So humans can do the multitasking because they are superior to the other factors. This is also cannot be taken. Okay. So because they are superior to the other, because all the factors are there, production of the all the production of factors are there. So among them is humans only the productive because they can do their works by their own. But this factor needs a human assistance. So that is the main thing. That is the main objective of asking this question. Okay. So this is a very much interesting question, very simple question, which is the acts influence the mostly influence our constitution. So 1935 Act. So majority of the constitution, our constitution was taken from this act only. Okay. So option D is the right answer, right? So who was the not ministers of first cabinet? Yes. So he is the home minister. So he is the education minister. Okay, Krishnamacharya also from many. So that's why none of the above is this one. Yes, we will see about this question. Yes. So the question is not about the peasants who led the revolution. It is many people are participated, like middle class people, workers, and everybody. So it cannot be credited to only peasants. The statement 1 is wrong, and statement 2 also, even the few months only the Russian government, the revolution could be controlled by the Tsar. Okay, after the Russian revolution they established a new parliament. They call it Duma. Okay, so the option 3 will be the right answer. So which of the following sector is contributing more to the GDP? So it is obviously the services sector. Tertiary sector only, that is services sector only, contributing more to the GDP. Yes. Yes. So this question about the Russian, yes, I'm sorry. So this question about the Russian Revolution and the events that took place during the Russian Revolution, I think see some important dates. So this is the reference for you. So you can see that like first one is Social Democratic Revolutionary Democratic Party, and this one. Then Bloody Sunday event. So all these things you can take as example for that. So so about this wrong statement about the Lenin. So first one is he did not believe in this one. So he disagreed with the peasants that they are natural socialists, because there is a difference. Peasants means not all. Some rich peasants also they are controlling more land. So that's why he disagreed with the opinion of other socialists, being peasants being a natural socialists. So the second one is this is true. So you want more control on the party discipline. So the third also wrong. So it is peace, but so the words are, there is no space. I hope you understand. So the third one also not correct. So the fourth one is all of the above wrong, is not also wrong. So option 2 is the right answer. So next one, choose the incorrect. Yes. So the first option is Sekal is the like it is not the education which made him the healthy. So it is the nutrition that he got from right from his childhood. Okay. Yes, the third one also fine. Second one also right answer. Yes, third also continue. Right only. So all the options are correct. So in this question we have to see the incorrect option. So the first one is the incorrect one, because health is not because of the education, because of the nutrition. Yes, so that is the reason why the first one is the wrong answer. That means option A is the right one. Okay. So it took almost 4 years. No, it is not 4 years. It is 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Almost 3 years, we can say. So that is the statement, right? So the constitution was adopted on November 26, not the January 26th. Okay, November 26, 1949. So we celebrate the Republic Day because not because of the adoption of the constitution, because of the implementation of the constitution. That means the constitution was implemented from the January 26, 1950. So the world's largest constitution it is the largest constitution in the world. The third statement is right. So the first and second one are wrong answers, the wrong statements. The three only the right answer. Okay. The three only are only the suitable answer. Yes. So here the first statement. Next question. So many American countries. No, it is not many American countries. It is many European countries should be there. Okay, American countries looked for the social capitalism during the 20th century. See, it is not about socialism adopted by the many countries, but not some countries, but it did not make the Russia as a global power. Okay, it has, because due to the Second World War, and there was a bipolar world was there. Russia and one side America is leading, and another side Russia is leading. That is there. So it is not the global power because of the socialism in Russia. So the third one is. So the third one is true. The third statement is true, because it got the economic equality, but it denied the freedom and the individual liberty. The three only the right answer. Okay. So option C will be the right answer. So many Russian people and the mainly Bolsheviks are not happy with the provisional government. Why it is like that? Because yes, they again established the autocracy. So okay, they banned this one. Okay. So here none of the above is the correct answer, because first one, they did not completely establish the autocracy in Russia. Okay. See, even prime minister was there, parliamentary form of government. They were acting as a undemocratically. That is the main thing. So during those months, it did not ban the Bolshevik party. So Bolshevik party was there. So their activities are going on that. Okay. So the C is the obviously wrong answer. So it did nothing to do with the universal adult franchise. Right. So option D will be the right answer. So International World Day is celebrated on March 8th. So none of the above is the answer. So here Navodaya Vidyalayas are set up by the ministry to provide the quality education to the rural people and the poor people. Okay. So the Kendriya Vidyalayas are to have a common curriculum or the syllabus for the government, because these are mainly based set up to cater the needs of rotational transfer people, mostly central government employees. So the first statement is wrong. The second, the expenditure on education has been gradually increased to 7% in our GDP. So it's not the 7%, it's not even reached the 6% also. So that is second also wrong. So in spite of these measures also, the literacy rate did not increase after the independence. Yes. So this is true. This is false. Even after independence, drastically our literacy rates were improved. Yes.